Come inside, little one. We're almost home. Look at the light. Come on, faster! Yeah! Watch this jump. Whoa! Come in, my dears, quickly. Mama, look, we brought water. I'm so cold. I have towels for you. Look, Ma, it's cooking so well. Can I help stir? Yes, my dear, it smells wonderful. Just a little longer.
And that's when the little bird whispered, "You are the bravest of them all."
Wow! What happened next? Keep these safe and never lose them. I promise.
Time to add the spices.
Look at the colors.
Smells so good.
Look at these raindrops. Wow, they're so big and so many. The garden loves it, and the rain makes them shine. Look at how green these are. They'll be perfect for dinner.
So lovely to see you two working together. And then the forest whispered secrets to the wind.
Wow.
Yes, the trees told tales of old.
Welcome home, my love. It's so good to be back. Papa, you're here.
Almost ready, my little ones.
Is it done yet?
It smells so good.
Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome, dear.
Looks delicious, Grandma.
Smells so good. I can't wait. I have smoothed it well, Grandma. Perfect, my dear. It looks beautiful.
Here is some fresh, hot khichuri for you.
Wow!
Eat more, child.
This is delicious. This is so delicious. We're having so much fun.
Yes, eat well, my dears. You children are enjoying the meal, aren't you?
It's so good, Mama.
Yes, it's the best.
The fox outsmarted the lion by pretending the well led to the sky.
Oh, how clever. He climbed down onto the reflection.
Exactly. The lion believed it and fell in.
I think the rain is stopping. Yes, the clouds are clearing now. Let's prepare the banana leaves for dinner. Try this. It's ready. Ha ha ha. It smells wonderful. Thank you, my dear. You've done so well, my dear. It's all because of you, Amma. I've waited my whole life to see you again. And I am so happy to be home with you.
The bread is ready to cook.
Put some more wood on the fire, Grandma.
Yes, dear. It will be warm now.
The feast will be ready soon.
Look at the size of this tomato.
Remember to wash your hands before eating. And then the elephant chased the monkey.
Oh no, what happened next?
Tell us.
And then the monkey jumped right into the soup.
Baba, not
Again.
He's so funny. It's true though. It really happened.
We saw the most beautiful rainbow on the way here.
That's wonderful, dear. Eat up.